Hello, 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 and welcome again to Tips for Your Voice. This is continuing from the video that I did last week. It's going to be for our transitions in chest voice, but I'm going to establish two things, two areas. The female going up that has a really screaming head voice, wonderful, strong, but not so much down here. We need to get some more bottom. And the gentlemen that have falsetto can go really high, but yet we need some nice strength down in the low. So I'm going to start very low and go high. I'm going to let go on the very high notes because it's really early in the morning. But we will do a little bit of a warm up, okay? Whenever you're doing this and you're doing full chest, this is what we're going to do today. Whenever we're doing that, you've got to do some head voice first or falsetto first to warm the muscles up. Something nice and easy and light, okay? So now we're going to start down here. Now let's do right, and nice and easy. No loud tones, just warm up. Mouth stays open. There you go. Remember, the ribs come out. This area here coming out when you take a breath. Keep it light, keep it very light. Nice. Sides, rib cage comes out. Stays out when you're singing. Take a breath. Didn't play those notes. Nice and easy, light. If you have a big chest voice, be careful. Gentlemen, very, very light here. Ladies, the same. Very easy. Gentlemen, light. There's no loud sounds here. We're warming up. We're just warming the muscles. If you can go to these notes, great. If you can't, don't worry. Cheekbones are up. Sound off the roof. Think of lifting in the back of the throat. Bright sound. That's it. We're not going to take this real high. One more. Cheekbones up. Up here, high on the roof. Up. The fingers aren't working. Notice the mouth, how open it is. But I don't drop the jaw a lot. Think it's resonating really high. Very nice. Big smile. Rib cage comes out. Imitate the look. Light. Don't get loud as you go lower. Don't get loud. We're warming up. We're getting our muscles ready to do that chest voice. even though it's slow, I keep my mouth open. Cheekbones are up. The body is up. That's it. Nice and low. Keep the body up. Nothing is pulled in or down. See, even though I'm low. Last one. Oh, I got that low note. Oh, yeah. Okay, now chest voice. And like I said, I'm going to let go at the top, but I want you to keep going if you can hit the notes. Remember, as you go higher, you're going to get brighter, but you're not going to do a full mix. Yeah! You're not going to go up there, okay? I'm going to just have you, yay! Remember, the ribs are up. Bring your shoulder blades together. Yay! Yay! I come out here. Down here, gentlemen. Yay! Yay! Right here. Yay! Out. Yay! Now, remember, you get brighter as you get higher. Okay? Brighter as you get higher. Again. Oh, let's start down here for the gentleman. Yay! Yay! Lift up in the back of the throat. Yay! Oh! Yay! Yay! Sound coming forward. Yay! 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 Uh-huh. Yay! Up high, right? Okay. Now we're going to do another exercise just for chest voice. Again, I'm going to start nice and low. For those of you who aren't used to doing lower tones, we're not going to take it really high. We're just going to take it a comfortable high note. Let's see. Notice I lift up for the ah. I don't go yeah. And as you go higher, don't drop. Don't pull the lower lip in. Okay? Yeah. Up and out. Yeah. Yeah. Cheekbones. Bring the shoulder blades together. Keep this area nice and wide and open. Aha, there you go. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. And I'm going slower now. Whoa. Yeah. Gentlemen here. Up and out. Brighter. Yeah. A little slower. Yeah. Brighter. Abs out. Yeah. Yeah. Think high off the roof. Oh, there you go. Yeah. One more. Good, great, great. Relax. We're going to go back down. I'll get my sheet of paper in a minute. Here we go. Rotate the tongue. Think of a yawn. Lift up high off the roof. When you're yawning, that's a vocal stretch. So now I want to stretch before we go down. Then we're going to go down and then come back up again. Woo. Okay, here we go. Yeah, 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 up again. Yeah. Woo! One more time for me. Yeah. Yeah. Nice lift, nice lift. There you go. Yeah. Yes, one more. Back down again. Yeah. Sides out. Don't drop the jaw. Big breath. Keep it nice and full. There you go. My singing group does this. We love it. One more for the teacher. Oh, I got it right that time. Remember, you always want to keep up the roof of the mouth. You want to think of the sound coming off and coming forward and out. You don't want to, you don't want to go backwards. You want to keep the lower lip out. You take a breath between each one, so you're constantly going back to full, okay? Body stays up, going to the higher notes if it's hard. The rib cage, pull the shoulder blades together. It really helps. That action helps you get it. I know this is helpful for you. Woohoo! Here we go. I got my paper. Is there anything I left out? Let me see. Oh, the sound feels as you go higher. Yay! It doesn't feel like it has a bottom. It feels like it floats out of you. All right? That's when it's correct. So this is really important that you do this. After you do chest voice, you also want to relax. Falsetto, gentlemen. Ladies. You want to ease the muscles. One more. You want to relax the muscles because you've really pushed them. So the next time we meet, I'm going to do other exercises, and these are for everybody, but mostly people that are going to really want to eat this up are the people that are, again, doing a lot of high and not doing enough low in their voices. Remember, you've got to balance out, like I said in the first video. If you didn't watch the first video, please go back. It's about transitions, and you need to listen to what I'm saying, all right? Listen, you have a great singing day. Sing your butts off, okay? Because it's such a day, yeah. Such a modified day, yeah. Bye. Oh, don't forget, you've got to subscribe. I keep forgetting. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe. You hit the bell and join my singing group. We do these exercises all the time, all different exercises. Go to marquitawaters.com and join us. Sign up. Okay, bye.